Petcozife. It just came out of the box, so it hasn't quite fluffed up completely. Here are there's double leashes. It's got some D-rings here at the top. We'll put this aside. Bottom has these kind of non-slip dots. There is a zipper to remove the inner cushion. Here are some loops on the front. Let's see what it looks like. We can catch a glimpse of the inside. Let's see if I can open this. Okay, you can see the foam as it swells up. There's also a hefty foam on the base. This is removable. It is inflating right now. It'll be very thick once inflated. So it provides lots of cushioning. And this can go either way. You can see it takes up one seat. The middle seat doesn't seem to be in the way. But it's just a bed or dog car seat.